Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little late, but better post late than don't post at all. So today we're going to be trying on some of February's BoxyCharm product, and I'm very excited about this box because we got the brushes, and we're going to be trying putting the brushes to the test, and with the help of this brush I created this look. So I actually use all the three of the brushes and all the goodies in here. So I just like to mention that I've been a little sick, so I wasn't like too active. Forget about Instagram, I haven't been there in ages. So I had a really bad flu, and then after I come out of the antibiotic from the flu, I started getting this horrible migraine. So I went to the doctor and he told me that I should have my eyes checked, because maybe, I don't know, the headaches have something to do with my vision. So now now I'm not complaining. So now actually I have to wear glasses because I don't know, I have something to do with focusing my right eyes too much that was actually affecting my vision nerves there. I don't know, whatever it is, but that's it. Now we wear glasses. So that's why I was away for a little bit, but thank God the flu is gone. I'm better and now I have glasses, but this is all good. So I'm excited for we create this look. So let's do this video gets so long, and I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. Love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back and support me. If you're new here, hi, I am Paula. This is my channel. It's about beauty, lifestyle, and everything else. So if you like that kind of channel, join us. So let's do this so this video gets so long. Alright guys, so the first item that we're gonna try from this February box to be the Kate Somerville serum. So let me just take off my glasses. So bright. Alright, so here is the serum. See how it performs. So my face, I only have my eyes done and my brows, and I don't have anything else on my face. So let's try this serum. Did I not have any smell? And I hope it's okay to wear under makeup. And this is a biomimicking peptide. It's supposed to smooth and firm the skin, which is great. How to use: IM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin. Use alone with other activate concentrated layer with the serum or moisturizing. Alright, so feels really nice on the skin. I have to give it to that. And this kind of stuff I have to use, you know, for at least a week or two, so I can tell you guys how it perform, because using only one time I cannot tell you guys the difference. So but I'm gonna keep using this, and this is really nice. And this serum retails for $98. Pretty stiff, but if it does what say that it does, it's worth the money. So Kate Somerville is specialized in formulate high active concentrate to transform dull saggy skin into visible, firm, smooth, and refreshed looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appear visible, tighter. I'm looking forward for wear this. So I'm gonna use every day, morning and evening, and then today is Monday. A week for today I will do a video update for you guys how it's working. I'm sorry for this box to be so late. I wasn't feeling good. I've been sick and I had a real bad flu, and after the flu I got something wrong with my eyes. Oh, it was a mess, but here we are. Sorry that's late. So but this serum is really nice, so I'm gonna put it here. The brush, I was very excited for this brush set because they're so pretty. Here you have 3 brush, and they come with this little protective net here. Let's just remove this. I'm really excited for this first brush here. Let's read a little bit about them, and we're gonna try them on camera. Yes. So, and this brush is from Alama Cosmetic. This one is a bronzer brush, but I'm not gonna use this for bronzer. I'm gonna use this for foundation because I love a flat surface brush for foundation. Just buffs out so beautiful, so nice. And this one is a brightening brush, so this is perfect for you, like make your eyes or apply like setting powder on the eyes, or even if you just want to use for highlighter. I gotta give you a very precise application, so we're going to be using this today. And the third brush is this one here. This one is a complexion brush. This complexion brush is an angle brush, and this brush is great for you. This kind of brush is what I like for do my bronzer or my powder contour product, because of the angle. It just gives me a very precise application. And also you can use this for blush too. You can see it's really nice. So, and this Alama Cosmetics complexion brush trio. This is a vegan and cruelty-free 3 pieces brush set. Comes complete with a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush, suitable for all skin type and delivering a flawless finishing. This trio costs $36, which is a great price. Give to the brushes are so beautiful, so soft and very nice, very nice, very good price for the brush. Definitely, if you want to get yourself a set, it's a go-to. Alright, so now we're gonna use the brush. So the first brush that we're gonna use, I'm gonna use this bronzer brush that I'm gonna use as a foundation brush. That's why I don't have foundation on. So I have my foundation here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to my face. Right, so I'm just gonna pick up my mirror so I can see good what I'm doing. So I'm gonna look down, but pay attention to that. Buffs out really nice. Alright, so I got a little bit of lipstick, and since we're going to this foundation, is look a little bit too light on the screen there, but it's not that light in person. But since we have to try the angle compression brush, I'm gonna try a little bit of this Drunk Elephant Bronzini. This is like a liquid bronze that you can mix on your foundation. You can use on the foundation, or you can use the way I'm going to use for darken up a little bit this complexion. So let's see where we get with this. Alright, so now it doesn't look so bright anymore, I hope. So the angle brush works very good. So you guys can see the bronze went in very easy and smooth. So I'm gonna use the same angle brush for use some of this blush. Oh, this blush is so pretty. I did a video on this blush from Focalier. I'm not sure if I edited it yet. If I'm not, I have to. Or if I even posted yet, just don't remember. But yeah, so the brush performed beautifully. So now let's try the complexion brush. So the brush set is beautiful and works perfect. So now one thing that we're going to try is this this setting powder from C8 London. I think that's C8 or Seat London, I don't know. I think this is the first time that I try something from them, if I'm not. This one, Everyday Vacay. Okay, and this is a coconut scent setting powder. So I love this. I love coconut smelling things. So this is gonna go, just add a little bit to, nice, take the excess, and I'm just going to apply the powder under my eyes. I didn't add anything here. Very fine powder. Seattle, London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Lock in makeup for long lasting wear with Seattle, London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Powder is retails for $22, which is a good price given the size of the product, and it smells and performs really nice. It don't give you like the cakey feeling or dryness, so that's a plus for me. It's facial radiance pads, exfoliate, tone and brightness from First Aid Beauty. I tried many products from First Aid Beauty and I really love their product, and this one is alcohol free. Wipe a pad across the face and neck once or twice daily after cleansing. Okay, so after you cleanse your skin, you use this pad. So helps exfoliate, tone and brighten the skin. And these First Aid facial radiance pads retails for $16. That's a good price. You know, their product normally is very good. I really like First Aid. They have a great quality. All right, so last is this all right, so this Evian refreshing cleansing hemp wipes, those biodegradable multitasking Evian Skin Plus X Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to clean the skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep the skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. What amazing! So I'm really excited for try these. I'm new to this brand, so I love it when I get to try new stuff for new brand. You know, I was like a new experience, so I really like that. And these retails for $10, so yeah, it's a good price for the product. So this is all for this February BoxyCharm. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this month BoxyCharm. And like I said, my BoxyCharm was late because I was sick like a dog and I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't work. I'm so full of things to do and that sucks. So alright, see you guys next video. Love you. Bye.